Hi, dear friends. I hope every one of you is doing well and enjoying your life. Today, I have come to you with one of my absolute favorite and comfort food recipe that I have developed myself and kind of invented. I hope that you like it, and believe me, you will be missing tremendously if you didn't try this recipe. I totally and hugely encourage you to try this recipe. It's creamy pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, green olives, chicken that does not require any marination. And without any hesitation, let's start with today's recipe. Now I will start as usual with water that I will bring to a boil. To it I will add salt, and then 1.5 bags of spaghetti pasta. You can add linguine, you can add any type of pasta, and from the boiling water of the pasta I will take and preserve 1 cup of water with the salt and the starch. To that I will take 1 kilo, which is equivalent to 2 pounds of chicken breast, and I will cut them, and 1 onion, and I will cut it as well. In my pressure cooker, the electric one, to speed up the process, definitely you can use the regular cooking pot. I will add some olive oil, and then I will saute the onions until it is softened. Meanwhile, I will take 1 pod or clove of cardamom, and I will put it, and I don't know the name of this one in English. I know it in Arabic, it's hone. So I will crush it and take the seeds and make it into a powder. To that I will add the powder and half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and this is also salt, plus of course black peppers. Now I'm sauteing the chicken until it changes in color. Then I will close the lid of the pressure cooker and I will choose 10 minutes program, and this is all it takes for the chicken. Okay, now I will be taking half a cup of green olives that I will chop roughly. Definitely you can use black one if you want, and 1 clove of garlic that also I will chop roughly. And by the way, this is a very adaptable recipe. You can increase the ingredients, you can decrease the ingredients, it's totally up to you. And now what is this? This is sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil, and with it sliced some garlic slices with it that is preserved in it with the olive oil. So I will take around, this is each piece is almost half a tomato. I will take around 5 pieces to 6 pieces. Again, it's totally up to you. You can increase or decrease it. And with a few slices of the orange one, it's the garlic. Now I will roughly chop them, as you can see. And I don't want to mince them finally. I want them to be kind of roughly chopped, okay? And as you can see, this, by the way, this ingredient will elevate the taste and take it from one place to a whole new level of deliciousness. And I will put it in the plate after chopping it with the green olives and the chopped garlic clove. Now, as you can see, I don't like to waste food. So what happened is the remaining of the oil that was in the chopping board, I was putting it inside the cooking pot. And it's very delicious. It's packed with flavors. So it's a huge waste if you really waste this, like olive oil, the oil itself. And I will add some olive oil and extra, and then I will saute the clove of garlic. Once it starts to turn in color, I will quickly add the chopped on olives, and then I will saute it for like 2 minutes until the humidity is a little bit decreased, and then I will add the chopped sun-dried tomatoes. To that I will add after that the cooked chicken with the broth, with everything. Don't left anything. After that I will add 1 cup of milk. Why am I adding milk? Because I don't want to add a lot of cream. I want it to minimize the damage. Now I'm using whipping cream. You can use any cooking cream. You can use any type of cream that you prefer. And I'm adding around 2 cups of cream. You can add more, you can add less. Put in mind that I'm using 1.5, like almost 600 grams of spaghetti pasta. Now to combine everything, I will add the starchy water that I have saved from the cooking pasta water. And then after that, I will drizzle some Italian herbs, which is oregano, dried onions and dried garlic. You can add oregano and some powdered onion and some powdered garlic and maybe a few basil if you have. And then to that I will add some chilies. I decided to add some chilies. Put in mind something, I have invented this recipe. I didn't take it from anywhere. It's like something that it was at the pulse of the moment. And as you can see, I'm telling you, that's it. And this dried herbs, I divided it into two parts. The first part, I let it boil with the mixture, and then the second part, I drizzle it after boiling. And that's it. We have finished. This is all it takes. Now I'm adding my cooked pasta, the al dente cooked pasta, and I'm mixing everything together, and we have done. Now it's time to serve it and enjoy it. I would like to tell you that if you decrease the amount of the pasta, you will definitely have more sauce. I did this, by the way, this can serve up to 7 people or 6 adults, or maybe 7 mixed adults and children. And let us take a moment to enjoy the beauty and the aroma of this beautiful dish that was cooked with love. And I really enjoyed this recipe, and I really, 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 really encourage you to try it. It was so delicious. Like the entire pot finished at the same day. We didn't have any leftovers. It was amazing. Amazing. If you did try this recipe, tell me in the comments section below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like if you like today's recipe, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. And till I see you next time, take care, enjoy your life, and thank you so much for watching my channel and giving me this portion of your time. I love you to the moon and back, and always, always and forever. Stay safe and love each other. Bye bye.